Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. This is a showcase walkthrough video of this album that I designed. This is a little Halloween hidden waterfall album. I have two different options. This one, first one I made, has a 1.5 inch spine. This one has a 2-inch spine with gusseted flaps. So I'm going to do a walkthrough on both of these and show you what they look like. They are both made with Carta Bella's Halloween paper collection, the new collection for 2023 that I received as a design team package from Country Craft Creations. Stay tuned for the showcase walkthrough. Take a look first at option 1 of this little album. Has the 1.5 inch spine, and the size of the album is 5 inches by 7.5. It is a hidden waterfall album, so it doesn't have any pages in it, but I love how it turned out. So here on the front, I used the die set from Creative Expressions to create this little haunted house, some lace and different embellishments from the collection by Carta Bella called Halloween, and I love how it turned out. On the back, I just simply put a sticker here. Have a lot of little of the elements inside the windows, chipboard pieces here and there, and the little ghost popping out of this. Now the ribbon here is just decorative. It just opens this way. There is no tie closure. And as you see here, when it lays flat like this, you have a hidden waterfall on each side. And also you have a fun element, a pop-up slider. Goes up and down here on the spine, but it also pops up and will stand up there in the center like that. So that's a lot of fun. So how do we see the hidden waterfall? Well, we slide out these cards here that are held by the belly bands, which leaves 2 little flaps on each side. When you open those back, you take out your cards. This one has the cards, the other one does not. And then the flaps open up and down, and there's your waterfall on the inside. Now, after I did this, I decided, well, it might be helpful to have gussets on our flaps, so that's why I did the option 2. So the right side is exactly the same as the left. I just added a cut apart here. We have little tabs here on the bottom to show you there's another one hidden underneath, and I left everything black on the back side with just the cardstock so you can add photos. So lots of fun, a hidden waterfall for your most spooky Halloween photos for your trick-or-treaters or party, and it just slides in like this to hold everything close. So there is no magnets on here. I just love the way this looks, so I decorated this up with stickers. I'm going to put this card here. Like I said, option 2 does not have the 4x6 cards because I didn't have enough of those left for it, but there is option 1, and I bring the slider down to the bottom, lay it down, and then I can close the book up. That's simple. So let's take a look at option 2. Same size album, but it does have a 2-inch spine to give us more room for gussets. I also used the die to make the little haunted house. So this one, instead of being a haunted house, is a wicked witch's house. It's got the brooms, the different things still in the windows, the black cat up here, some bats flying around, and again, the bow that is just decorative, so it opens back, and there we have that. So for this one, I decorated with just some of the ephemera, Happy Halloween, Trick or Treat, and then I used some little tags with some eyelash twine or yarn, and this one has the witch's legs as the pop-up for it. Lots of fun on that one. Same concept, the card slides out, but as you can see, it stands up a little better and operates a little easier with the gussets. So there's gussets added 1/4 inch on each side of these flaps. And then also these flaps that go up and down. So I have the gusset there. Of course, we've got the photo mats. I left this all plain in here. I've got the tab again that lifts up to show you the hidden photo place. And we have patterned paper on all the waterfalls except the back side. Really simple, really quick and easy to make, and lots of fun, like I said, for those Halloween trick-or-treat party photos that you might have this year. So I hope that you will check out this collection at Country Craft Creations. It is available now. Those collections come out July and August, and then they typically sell out. So if you're wanting something like this, you might want to check that, or any other Halloween collection that is available in countrycraftcreations.com. So check out the store, see what's there. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Down below, you will find in the description a link to subscribe, or you'll see a subscribe button for the channel down below in the description area. Just click that and make sure you click the bell so you'll be notified of my next videos. I will have a tutorial on both of these. Actually, it's one tutorial on how to make the cover and the album. I give you option 1. I show you how to make this one and add the pattern papers. Then I go ahead and show you how to do option 2 by adding the gussets. So it's a combined tutorial, and I'll have that up on my channel as soon as I can. So click on that bell, lets you know when my next videos are ready. And again, shop countrycraftcreations.com. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.